Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Out of Best, where we uncover the best tips and tricks to elevate your cooking game. Today we are diving into the Farberware Smart Control Nonstick Jumbo Cooker, a kitchen essential that's more versatile than you might think. Stick around as we reveal the top 5 hidden hacks to maximize this cookware's potential. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the innovative steam vent and the lid knob. This feature isn't just for preventing boil overs, it allows for precise steam control. Use the steam vent to your advantage by adjusting it to retain moisture for juicy dishes or release steam for crispy results. It's perfect for recipes that require specific moisture levels. The Diamond Mix non-stick technology is a game changer, performing 3 times better than traditional non-stick surfaces. Take advantage of this by reducing the amount of oil or butter you use, promoting healthier cooking without sacrificing flavor. And cleanup becomes a breeze, saving you time and effort. Did you know this cooker is oven safe up to 350 Fahrenheit? Start your dish on the stove top and finish it in the oven without transferring to another dish. This is ideal for recipes like frittatas, casseroles, or seared meats that benefit from oven finishing. The dual riveted phenolic handles are designed to stay cool on the stove top. So use these handles for easy maneuvering even when the pan is hot. This feature enhances safety and control, especially when transferring the pan or serving directly from it. With a generous 6 quart capacity, this jumbo cooker is perfect for one-pot meals. It prepares large batches of soups, stews, or pasta dishes, making meal preparation for the week efficient and convenient. The high sides help contain splatters, keeping your stove top cleaner. So there you have it. 5 hidden hacks to get the most out of your Farberware Smart Control non-stick jumbo cooker. Whether you are a seasoned chef or a home cook, these tips can help you cook smarter and more efficiently. Thank you for watching. See you next time.